to stop sharing your location on X app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stop sharing your location on X app. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your X application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Here at the top left, you'll be able to see your profile icon. Tap on the profile icon and from the side menu at the bottom, tap on the settings and support option. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to see settings and privacy option under it. Tap on it. By doing so, you will be taken to the settings page. Now in this settings page, you will need to look for the option privacy and safety. Once you find it, you will need to simply tap on it, and by doing so, you will be taken to this page. Here, you will need to look for the option related to location settings. Scroll down and then there you'll be able to see location information option. Tap on it. Inside it, you'll be able to see these options. If you have previously enabled location sharing, now you can turn it off here. You will see the toggle button at the right side that allows you to share your location. Simply tap on it and switch it off. You can also tap on the toggle button at the right side of the option that says personalize based on places you have been. Once you do that, this will stop Twitter from accessing your location data. By disabling location sharing, now it will prevent Twitter from using your location for features like tagging your tweets with a location. So, by following these steps, you can successfully stop sharing your location on the X application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.